Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Despite the challenging economic times with trade wars, tariffs, and the like, several Jamaican companies are expanding and growing. First up, A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings Limited has advised that the company has received a takeover bid circular issued by its parent company, Seprod Limited. The offer by Seprod to purchase up to 447,491,012 ordinary shares in A.S. Bryden in exchange for newly issued ordinary shares in Seprod at a rate of 396.43 ordinary shares in Seprod per 1,000 ordinary shares of A.S. Bryden. Unless extended, the offer period will expire on June 5, 2025. Then, Jamaican plastic construction material manufacturer Omni Industries made its first inaugural shipment of buckets and garden hoses last month to meet Guyana's growing infrastructure and industrial sectors, pushed by Guyana's expansion of its oil sector. And then Richard Berger, board chairman of Marathon Insurance Brokers, reaffirmed the company's planned initial public offer for next year. He says it remains on track. And I quote, "We continue to believe that with our strong fundamentals and the talented team we have in place, Marathon is well positioned to offer investors an exciting opportunity for growth and expansion." For investors seeking passive income, we have some dividend announcements. Guardian Holdings Limited has declared a first quarter dividend of 21 Trinidad and Tobago cents per share payable on June 11, 2025 to shareholders on record as of May 20, 2025. Also, Berger Paints Jamaica Limited has declared a final dividend of 0.125 Jamaican cents per share payable on July 4, 2025 to shareholders on record as at June 20, 2025. And finally, Pan Jamaica Group Limited has advised that the board of directors at a meeting scheduled for May 9, 2025 will consider a first interim dividend payment to shareholders. For the trading period ending May 2, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,809,435 units traded, representing 23.13% of market sales volume. International food distributor Deramon Trading Company Limited with 1,209,401 units traded, representing 9.96% of market sales volume. Billboard advertising and real estate developer Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,113,060 units traded, representing 9.16% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 2, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $43.68 million purchased and US $41.52 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.91 per dollar, selling the US at $159.47 and buying the US at $157.56. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.76 per transaction, with selling at $116.58 and buying at $109.82. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.82 in profits, with selling at $213.18 and buying at $206.36. For our credit report tip of the day, one of the smartest, most overlooked ways to move in the direction of growth for your income, expanding your options, and support for your vision for a business and a life you actually want is improving your credit score. Not just for personal use, but as a funding tool for your business ambitions. So here are two options to consider. You can qualify for lower interest business loans because better credit equals lower risk to lenders, which equals lower risk for you. Also, with better credit, you can access higher lines of credit. As your credit score improves, lenders increase your limits, giving you working capital when you need it the most. Now, if you're building something from nothing, as a professional woman over 45 years old, you often juggle career, family, and caregiving responsibilities, leaving little time for personal financial health. By treating money management as part of your self-care routine, you create positive feedback loops. This clarity reduces stress, which in turn supports better decision-making and sustained financial progress. So how about a weekly financial review, spending just 30 to 60 minutes, has been shown to enable proactive adjustments before issues escalate, boosting both stability and opportunities for growth. So you could structure this time as your CEO hour and elevate it from a task to a leadership practice, reinforcing the mindset that you are the chief executive of your financial life. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.